First, go to KYOCERA official website to download the driver. www.KYOCERAdocumentsolutions.com. On the website, go to Support and Download and click Download Center. In Step 1, search and click on the device model. Step 2, select driver. Step 3, select the computer OS in use. Step 4, select KX Print Driver. Click Agree to contract and download. When completed, enter the download folder to prepare for installation. To install the driver, unzip the installation pack first. Open the Setup Execute file in the unzip folder. Click Yes to allow the application. After KYOCERA product library startup, click Accept. Click Express Install. If show more than one device, you can search the target model and then click the one you want to add. After decide the included features, click Install. If security prompts show during installation, please continue to click Install. After complete the installation, select the relevant settings and click Finish. Return to KYOCERA product library and close the installer. To default print for black and white, go to Start and click Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Select the target device. Click Printing Preferences to modify the default value. On the Basic page, set the color to black. Then press OK. To set the device optional parts, click Printer Properties. Go to Device Settings. Click Auto Configure. Click Auto Configure now. Press OK. And press OK again to close.